is she'll need a going through and a crank. Nope. Okay. That one. Yep. Okay. This one. Nope. There's the head. Nothing wrong with it. We're replacing the cylinder, so I don't really care, but there we go. Kind of a shame because that cylinder's like nice. Yes, she'll need a going through and a crank. Alright, so that motor is coming out. And we're going to check the internet right now and see how much this is going to cost me. Okay, so I bought this bike on Marketplace literally because I just needed the gas tank. I have another PW50. It's an 81. It's in really good shape, but I had the gas tank off. It was laying on the ground and I backed over with my Bobcat. That's a whole other story. Anyway, I was hoping maybe that this motor would be good and I'd sort of have a parts / running driving mini bike just to have around. But anyway, not going to happen. The cylinder, it's good. Piston seems fine, but the bottom end is gone. It's shot. So I paid $200 for this bike. It's a 1981. A bottom end kit's $380. Well, I have the top end off. You might as well do it. That'd be another $150. So by the time I fix this, get it running, it's still going to be a 1981 with a plastic welded gas tank. You can buy a brand new one or a few years old PW50 with training wheels for $1,200. So this is solely going to be a parts bike, which is good. I need the carburetor. I cleaned that. It's perfect. Need the oil injection. My other one doesn't work. I've just been mixing the fuel, but I'll probably hook this all up on my good one. Other than that, it's not really good for anything. Tires are shot. There's nothing left of it. So lesson learned, if you're buying on Marketplace, don't take the seller's word for it. I mean, this guy told me, I know better, it doesn't matter. I bought it assuming it probably wouldn't work, but he told me, yep, daughter rode it last year, it worked perfect for her, and my youngest doesn't have any interest this year. Well, no, it's because the crank went, and it sat forever, and it was collecting dust, and you just want to get out of your way. So, when you're selling stuff, be honest, don't lie. People that buy this stuff all the time like me know better, so you might as well just tell them the truth.